Graph g of x equals x squared minus 4. This is a quadratic expression, so the graph will be a parabola. Let's find some points, plot points, and sketch the graph. We'll find some function values. When x equals -3, g of -3 will be -3 squared minus 4, which is 9 minus 4, or 5. So we'd have 1 point, -3, 5. When x is -1, g of -1 would be -1 squared minus 4, which is 1 minus 4, or -3. That gives us another point on the graph. When x is 0, g of 0 is 0 squared minus 4, or -4. When x is, say, 2, g of 2 is 2 squared minus 4, which is 4 minus 4, which is 0. And you may choose different values for x. These are not written in stone that they have to be these. Let's do one more. When x is 3, g of 3 is 3 squared minus 4, or 9 minus 4, or 5. So let's pull the ordered pairs out of here. -3, 5. -1, -3. 0, -4. 2, 0. And 3, 5. And then we'll plot these points. -3, 5, -1, -3, 0, -4, 2, 0, 3, 5, and sketch the graph of the parabola. This is a parabola that opens up. And then we'll label the graph. G of x equals x squared minus 4.